Welcome to this instructional video on assembling the EasyClick connector system. Follow these steps carefully for a secure connection. Begin by sliding a cap onto each kink-resistant tube. Ensure the tapered end of the cap is facing toward the connection point. Next, prepare the connector bridge by inserting the pusher tool. Avoid using your fingertips or applying excessive pressure to the bridge to prevent damage. Gently push the bridge onto the first tube. Use the bridge window for visual confirmation, ensuring it is fully inserted and aligned with the midline. Thoroughly flush the tube with saline to remove any trapped air or debris from the system. Repeat this flushing process for the second tube before proceeding with the final assembly. Now, align the two ends and gently push the second tube into the connector bridge until it is securely seated. Position the clicker tool over the assembly and squeeze firmly to lock the caps over the bridge until you hear and feel a distinct click. Perform a final stretch test to confirm the connection's integrity. Once secure, remove the hemostats. Your EasyClick connector assembly is now complete.